Hey there, in this video we're going to show you how to make a better and more effective fire starter using just an egg carton, wood shavings, and wax. Whether you're camping, lighting a wood stove, a fireplace, or just want a fun DIY project, this fire starter is easy to make and will come in handy in many situations. So, let's get started. First, you will need an empty egg carton, wood shavings, sawdust, and wax. You can use any type of wax, such as candle wax or paraffin wax. Pine or cedar shavings work the best. The standard way is to take your egg carton and fill each compartment with wood shavings and cover with melted wax. This works pretty good, but let's make it better. First, cut the cover and flap off the egg cartons. They must be the fiber cartons and not the foam ones. Next, fill the cartons with wood shavings and tightly pack with a stick. There are many ways to melt wax, a double boiler or even the microwave. Be careful as the wax can get hot. I'm using an old hot plate with a small cast iron pan. Now I was making them by pouring the wax over the wood shavings in the egg carton and let cool until it's solid. This is optional, but I like to take a wooden match and stick it in the center before the wax. It will still light fine without this, but it gives them a nice touch. To improve the burn time, I will add a fine sawdust to the wood shavings and the melted wax. And while it's still hot, I tamp down the mixture with a waxed paper-covered stick to make it as dense as possible. Let it cool and harden completely. Next, cut them into individual cells. This can be done with a knife, but I will use the bandsaw. Here is a side-by-side test to see the burn time of each, and there you have it, your very own fire starter made from an egg carton, wood shavings, and wax. These fire starters are easy to make, portable, and will come in handy in many situations. Please like and subscribe to see more.